Hey girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew and I am super excited to be with you today, as always. So let's play with the Wreck and Wreck. So please take this out, okay? And make sure all your counters are off on the right. All right, and if you need a minute to find it, just pause the video and then you can come back. So just like yesterday, I'm going to show you a number. I'm going to say the number, and I want you to slide that number of counters over to the left. All right, I'm going to block the top row because we're just going to do one row. Okay, we'll just do the bottom. You can choose the top if you want, but I'm going to do the bottom. All right, so let's begin. If you need a minute to get your Wreck and Wreck, please do that now. You can pause the video, and here we go. All right, here's the number 4. Can you slide over 4 right now? You do it, and then I'll do it. See if you did if I do what you do. All right, so did you do this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, all right, awesome job. Let's do another one. Let's slide them back. How about this? 1. 1. All right, you do it, then I'll do it. 1. Okay, let's do another one. 5. 5. All right, you do it, then I do it. Okay, you do it. You do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, say 5. Good. All right, this time I'm going to put a number down, but I'm not going to say what it is. Let's see if you can recognize it, okay? Here it comes. Slide the number of counters that you think that is. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? It's a 3. It's a 3, so you should have gone 1, 2, 3. Okay? Excellent. Let's do 2 more. What number is that? Actually, I just said it. 2. So you should slide 2 counters. 1, 2. Okay? All right, this time I'm going to make it, sorry. So, all right, so let's move on, okay? Okay, so let's put your Wreck and Wrecks away, all right? And I want you to take out your Match My Number. It should be in the dry erase sleeve that you put it in yesterday, okay? You can just leave it in the sleeve all week, okay? This is the only thing you'll need. And you should have your 5 cubes, okay? So you should just have 5 connecting cubes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? And you should also have your dry erase marker and your eraser. So if you need time to get these things together, pause the video, and when you have them, come on back, and we'll start our game. Okay, boys and girls, let's play Match My Number. So, remember, I'm going to roll the die, right? So I got a 6. Now 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is not on here, so we're not going to do that one today. So if you get a 6, if I get a 6, we'll just do it again, all right? And when you play later, you just roll it again. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, I got a 6 again. What's happening here? Let's try it again. Oh my God, boys and girls, I got another 6. This is incredible. All right, here we go. Here we go. No 6s. Oh, whew. Okay, I got a 5. My goodness. Okay, 5. So what I want you to do is match my number. Show me 5 connecting cubes. Do you have, looks like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take your marker, and we're going to trace the 5. Just like that. Okay? Trace the 5. All right, and after you've traced it, we're going to erase it. and we'll try it again. Let's take off our cubes. Okay, and let's do it again. Here we go. 1. Let's see how fast you can do it. Show me 1 cube and trace. Okay, if I go too fast, boys and girls, just pause the video, and then when you're done, you can catch up. Okay, so there's 1. Let's put that back. Let's erase. Let's do another one. What's that number? How do you say that number? Let me hear you say it. How do you say it? Good. 4. There's 4. So show me cubes. Show me cubes. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4. And let's trace the 4. Okay? Do it the way I do it, right? You come, try and follow me, okay? So you start here, you come down and over, and then down again right here. Okay? All right. So great job, boys and girls. I'm going to show you one more thing, which is instead of doing a dice this time, I'm going to use Duct Cards, because you're going to be doing this later. So look, I have all these awesome Duct Cards. So when I show you a Duct Card, you have to show me the same number of cubes. Remember, to match my number. All right, so I'm going to take these, I'm going to shuffle them up. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Okay? So I've shuffled them up. All right, and I'm going to turn one over. Are you ready? Okay, it's a... What number am I showing right there? How many dots are there? I see 3 here. 1, 2, 3, and then one more, 4. So let's do 4. Show me 4 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then let's trace it again. I know we just did it, but we're going to do it again. Because practice makes you really good at things. We're going to practice saying our numbers, writing our numbers, showing our numbers. Numbers, numbers, numbers. We love what, boys and girls? Numbers. Yes, we do. All right, let's do a couple more. Let's erase the 4. Put our cubes back. Make sure you're doing it with me, boys and girls. You shouldn't just be watching the video. You should be moving your cubes and writing the numbers. If I'm doing all the work, I'm going to do all the learning. So we want you to learn as well, okay? All right, let's do another one. What number do you think this is? What's that number? How many dots do you see? Show me number of fingers that you see. Do you see 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, or 5 dots? Show me on your hand. I see 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 and 2 makes 5. All right, so let's do 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let's trace our 5. Comes across, down, and around. Okay? Across, down, and around. There's your 5. Okay. You are doing great. So erase that. So boys and girls, I want you to have these Duct Cards, and in fact you have them. If you take out your math packet that looks like this, and you go to the very end of the packet, the very back, there are Duct Cards for you. There's 1, 2, 3 pages of them. Okay, and they look just like this. All right, they look like this. So I want you to rip them out. Just take them out like this. Boop. Okay, put your math packet to the side, and now I want you to cut along the lines. Here, I'll show you down here. I want you to cut. Use some scissors. Okay, or if you don't have scissors, maybe ask one of your parents to help you just tear it carefully along these lines. So you're going to make a cut here and a cut here, so you have 4 cards. All right, and then over here, same thing. You cut here and here. All right, and then there's one more page. You cut here and you cut here. This one's blank. you can recycle it or draw your own dots. That would be super fun, right? If you want to challenge yourself with like 6 dots or 7 dots, it's up to you. Or a different arrangement of 3 dots or 4 dots. Okay, so cut those out, all right? And when you have those cut out, come back to the video. But pause the video now, okay? Pause it and cut those out and then come back. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. All right, boys and girls, so welcome back. So you should have all your cards cut out and should look like this, okay? And we want to shuffle them up. Shuffle means to mix them up. Okay, so mix, mix, mix. Here, I'll turn them upside down. Mix them up like this, okay? So we have our cards. And take out your math packet. And at the top, it should say Tuesday practice. Okay, Tuesday practice. We're going to do pretty much the same thing we did yesterday, okay? Which is, I'm going to turn, but instead of using your dice, we're going to use the Duct Cards. So I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to turn one over. Okay, there's my Duct Card. So how many dots do you see? You see 2 dots. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to draw 2 circles. Actually, no, today let's do triangles. Okay, so triangles look like this. You have 3 sides. You go 1, 2, 3. They have 3 sides. If triangles are hard for you to do, it's okay. Just do circles. No big deal. I'm just going to use a different shape. So I'm going to do triangles. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Oh, I'm only supposed to do 2. Mr. McAndrew, pay attention. All right, so I have 2 triangles. Okay, and now I'm going to trace the number 2 with my marker, or if you have a pen or a pencil, that's fine. I'm going to start here and come around and come back. Okay, so there's my number 2. All right, let's do another one. In fact, just watch me do the next one. Don't do it yet, and then you can play on your own, okay? So when you play it, you're going to flip over a Duct Card, just like I'm doing. All right, so I'm going to flip one over. Let's see, let me get one that I like here. I don't like that one. I like this one. So I'm going to flip it over onto my paper, and how many dots do I see? I see 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. What if I turned it like this? Are there still 3 dots? Yes, there are. What if it looked like this? Still 3 dots. So I'm going to do 3 triangles. One has 3 sides. These are all triangles. They can look, as long as they have 3 straight sides, they are all triangles. But remember, if you don't like triangles and you want to do circles, that's fine. Don't worry about that part right now. So I have 1, 2, 3, and now I'm going to trace the 3 around and around. Okay, so now I have 3. So you're going to use your Duct Cards, and you're going to do these 2, and there's a couple more pages for you to practice, okay? Also, boys and girls, if you like using the cubes, you can do that as well. You can put them down first, and then take them away, and then draw your shape. It could be a circle, it could be a triangle, it could be a square. Okay, I just like drawing triangles today. So there's 2 more pages of that. Okay? All right. So there's one more thing we're going to do today. I have a new game to show you. Maybe you should do this first so you can pause the video. Okay? Actually, you know what? I'm going to show you the new game in a different video. So we're going to end this video, and I want you to finish doing your practice. And when you're done with the practice, watch the next video because I'm going to show you a fun game. All right, boys and girls, you're doing so great. I know we have a lot of materials, but remember, you can always pause the video, okay? Take the time that you need to get what you need to do the game. All right, so all you need right now is your math packet and your Duct Cards and something to write with. All right, I'll see you on the next video very soon. Bye-bye.